Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajad and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharma Inform. In Pharma Inform, as you know, we are discussing about the tablet coating operations and different factors affecting the process of coating. In last video, we discussed a brief overview of different parameters or factors which may influence our coating operation. Today, we will discuss each and every factor in detail which will be helpful to understand the coating operation. So we will start from our first variable, which is tablet variables. We discussed classification of parameters in the last video. Description of the videos link is given in the description box. You can easily watch previous video from the link given in the description. So first variable in tablet variables is tablet hardness. As we know, tablet is the main component or substrate over which we have to apply the polymer. So if our tablet is perfect, it means our coating operation will be smooth and perfect. So the first factor which influence our tablet properties is the tablet hardness. As we know, our coating operation may be from 2 hours to 5 hours. From 2 hours to 5 hours, our tablet rotates in the coating pan, makes strikes with baffles and with the coating pan surface. So if the hardness of tablet is low, when it come in contact with baffles or when during rotation it strike with the pan surface, it may cap or it may break the edges of the tablet. So our tablet hardness should be in such a range that it can easily bear the attrition forces during the coating operation. The next step is the tablet shape. As we discussed in the sugar coating, only we use round shaped tablets for the coating in sugar coating, but for film coating we can use different shapes and sizes of the tablet. We can apply a film coat on round tablets as well as on oblong tablets or caplets or different dimensions of the tablet. But if we use round tablet rotate easily. But if we use oblong shaped tablets may result in twinning during coating operation. Their rotation is difficult as compared to the round shaped tablets. So we have to change our parameters according to the tablet shape. So tablet shape is also an important factor, and we have to adjust different parameters like pan speed, spray gun pattern, spray rate according to the tablet shape. The next or third step, which is tablet variable, is the tablet bed temperature. It is the most important point which we have to understand for the understanding of coating operation. First we will discuss what is tablet bed temperature. Basically our core tablets when rotate in the coating pan and we apply some heat to warm them, the temperature of the core tablets is known as tablet bed temperature. Tablet bed temperature play an important role for the application of spray rate, because if our tablet is not warm, we apply our suspension over the tablets using spray guns. Our tablet show pits in its surface or it may become rough. So if our tablet is cool at temperature 20-25 degrees centigrade and we start our spray operation just after loading the tablets into the pan, when we shower our spray over the tablets, it may affect the surface of the tablet and tablet surface may become rough or damaged. So before applying coating suspension, we have to warm the tablets up to a certain temperature. How we will decide at which temperature we should start our coating operation? For this, we have three types of coating suspensions: aqueous coating, organic coating, and hydroalcoholic coating. In aqueous coating, we use only water as a solvent. In organic coating, we use isopropyl alcohol type solvents. In hydroalcoholic coating, we use water and organic solvent as a mixture or combination. So a rough idea or as a thumb rule, if someone start coating operation, for aqueous coating, our core tablet should be heated at 38 to 34 degrees centigrade, and it is best it should be 38 when we start applying our coating spray, and we gradually increase it depending upon our spray rate, and we fix it between 38 to 34. It is the best range for the aqueous coating. It may vary according to the formulation or according to some products, but for a layman who does not even know how to adjust coating bed temperature for aqueous coating, it is a range which will give good results. For the organic coating, tablet bed temperature should be between 32 to 34 degrees centigrade. The range of temperature is low because water require more heat for evaporation, but organic solvents require less heat for evaporation. So we use 32 to 34 degrees centigrade for the organic coating suspension. For hydroalcoholic coating, we use 35 to 37 degrees centigrade temperature for the tablet bed. Hope you can easily understand the concept of tablet bed temperature. In the next video, we will discuss about our next parameters, which are the process air parameters. So if you like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be connected with us, and for the next video, Allah Hafiz.